Bwega mutegeri kwithwa wina twi aja ndene nteto cia weru thaa imwe na ta uria ndakwira twina ageni bairi ndene studio yetu tukwena rua twina Rufus na twina Meru and Gitiye batukwithwa tukiariria mantu ja siasa cia Meru na muno kagitene gaka IBC yombete kwithwa ikirekeria namba cia aringi kura ba kaunti Meru na tukiambiria rwaria rwetu ntije kethwa James no mbego tunenkia graphics eu inkwenda tutega kura cia Meru ndeke imwe na mutegeri IBC ni ombete kurita namba ya aringi bakura nthigurune na aja kaunti na Meru na Tharaka Nithi twaigwateniria amwe ireja 900 na ikura iria tumbete kuigwa rutero regani rwa NASA ikiuga na gichunko i swing vote kana bakomba kwethwa bakigana kura iu na tugitega kura iu itugutega gatwamberie na tereu yambe kwina Imenti North, Imenti Central, Imenti South egembe North county ya Meru twina 702,000 ka 702,000 tukiambiria no kuona ita ntere cia Imenti na egembe no kuona kwina kura ikung'ana cia gavana munya kumba gucoka tameije kana Imenti ro kuona ina kura nyingi nkoroki kagiteraka egembe tukiambiria nawe bora Gitiye.
Thanks bwana Eston. Ukagwile la kura yu praide jesti ke nyambene na Imenti ukona kiliale nyambene ni kura cha nyambene kuna chingi kuruge cha Imenti na okura mbwa 17,000 munya ai ngabana ororete na thayu ai na advantage imwe ngurukia opponent bawe enereta wa the advantage of incumbency advantage mtororete nonto already na setete networks kinya ke system ira ya setete structures ira nacho ira cha county government iwicho mwa o end start ekwanjiriria no raginya kwitha ki roero no mtu ethere aina roero kabisa lakini kwa tuko kwa mtu gawe aina ka end start yeye tatu atena roero roku lakini ka end start ukamwa advantage in the race and secondly ndreona yaka line ucha kuile la Imenti tigania yaka negembe yaka ite play a very big role ke kunditama nombi ya kuwin no either factor lakini te factor andi to kabisa non to like the generation ya ringi kura ranjaro manto ya mere una ambite by nyileti mno manto neo the new generation ya voters in Meru manto ya line o Imenti o no atiani o no egembe patine usana so no bailele other things
ende tombeta kuona ke kampeni nyingi atongeria bakira anto bakwa bondingira kura na beta konto konge bakengwa ikuona ni ita siasa cia kendorejo chombete kwamberia ja Meru anto robaringe kura na kendorejo na revo umete
uni nteko bano no itukinyete au no ora kwethirigia mtu fulani na kuenjoy support area fulani no rito sana te ate mno mtono wa kato mu support mno mtono wa tiania kana ka kurewa mno this other side no mtoto wako nteko bana ni autori mno lakini kuna factors zingi kuilelwa like 2017 iro itarambere kinyam kumomero kuwa na kwenda seriously na kwenda na kwendete 2022 iyo kinyayo Meru imeona from that nationalistic point of view yake iobaka by muongo So kandi u gavana munya eu yake kwa 2022 ni umwaka politically no ntoende bakona aspiration ya gavana munya no, by extension aspiration ya Meru collectively.
Na bwana Kobiano kuona ita gavana munya kuga 2022 na kwenda kurunga maita eko munenkera push eu ya gutwika gavana tameje.
Thank you Gitonga. Meru ogukari this time ikura itethero ikariu ikarikaire nonto bwa kwithwa twina county ukurikana mbere twari na county council of Meru yagitanio yuma Nyambene county council nenge atuwe gitagwa Meru. When devolution came twachokanwa kairi na ndo chokanwa kou igwo kuretete differences yi nonto kinyarira kwa thurana wa kwari mantu on differences yi karangi hu. That said munya na kiraito ukategera kiraito ari muimenti na kura cia Nyambene na gatira umite kana munya they are almost equal. The difference is about 17,000. 17,000 is not a huge number. Lakini ukaya kutega Nyambene kura cia all the constituencies in Nyambene they are very even in the sense that differences it take with us more than 5,000 votes. What you can ande there is a constituency called Bore. Na de Bore ni okaraya yo ka tueka ni
battleground.
The battleground that there will be in Meru.
No twatega Bore twina Gatobu. Oria niwe sitting MP na kwenda gete kia ungavana. No kumbekega kugeria kugawania kura fulani.
Machinations chacha ni very intricate. Utiomba kumeana why Gatobu etire mbunge na giti na tigiti independent. They were about 4 in the current parliament. Achoka auganade ni giti kia ngavana kwenda. That left a lot of questions. And now uragwa kiuria kiu akauga youth akwenda gwita gutegera muno mantu ya jau, but of course his chances are quite remote. Na de kwithirwa ateku Gatobu. Now, given that Bore is more of a settlement constituency, you wouldn't say ni antubaimenti settle diku kana ni batigania kana ibegembe. So, given that scenario, it will be a battleground. Noro kona kura nyingi no omba gwita gitiki.
Chia Bore nio ikaithwa chia determinant.
Chika determine gitiki angavana no.
Ende bwana Morris itwegetwe bwana Kiraito Muronge, Senator Kiraito Muronge akiuga determinant ketho kura cia gembe nonto sure kura cia imenti nacio na cia tigania ikanenkerwa Peter Munya. Kura cia gembe na cia Bore ni ile kuikoneka icio determinant aja.
Kura icio bia determine kithurano kiu between gavana Munya na Kiraito Muronge. Of course kwina Kilemi Mwiria, kwina Gatobu, lakini kuringana
na Nyawi ni Kaburu,
kwina Kaburu, kuringana na opinion poll yetu onete so far, na kuringana na kinya kinya wilelete kana yeleta wa intuition na observation, is very clear the front runners kana whatever the horses in this race. Mheshimiwa Peter Munya na Mheshimiwa Kiraito Muronge. Ere Kiraito biotomaua vivi determine the contest ni Gembe kathwana kia kailala in this sense that tigania kuna 2 contestants Kilemi Mwiria na gavana Munya adakathwania that way where Yontoiment is likely to vote as a block, according to him or according to other analysts. Lakini, Lanjile, Buramponete from so far Buramanto shape is like Nyambene in a tendency, Equichoya as a block. then versus the Imenti. Siasa kule karibu wanagetonga, siasa siasa is local. Politics is always local. Na siasa mno ni influence wa mno inye the history of the people. Yeah? Ukula la history ya Meru as a community, Rufus akwera, are always divided into two moities, Meru, two, divisions, the Omodho and the Oreo. So Nyambene is the other part. On the NG set system, the naming system, Tigani and the Igembe the same. But they're one of the factors. Menya, even nationally, even in national politics, such factors influence voting pattern ichanto. So to teme ochi rule out even at this level of Meru, to it's not a factor. That way together to take that way real. No, together kwa deal. Lakini mengereka eka break the the contest. Ibore. Gatobu
au mete kadhiria tai.
Ni kadhiria tai. Gatobu mete from Bore. No kidakai very strong, lakini bure kwa pia atena that maso era siasa era itoinio kana era ngabana munyenio.
Kogo tekura kaomba kugania ntetia Bore.
Of course, tutemea kuwa completely atena following. Yeah. Non to nyoka mule la kumagumile siasa neke Gatobu. Na akumira very young, lakini na come out as mtu bruna leadership qualities, mtu very sober, focused. Lakini yo siasa na inye nationally tone the candidate boko na mtu ina very clear mind, ina very clear way forward na kwenda wiki the country, lakini kwa tukanue other factors ito matabo au following enje. So that is the situation ya Gatobu.
Nange kogitea nini ngetokea bwana Kobia. In 2013 tukomba kuona Peter Munya achindire kiremi mweria na kura ngirinya yake. Kura ngirinya cia 2013 na no kurikana Peter Munya bae na kiraito muronge kagitene kau na ndika batho kene. Nukona ita kiremi mweria kwe following akethe na yo ile eka push Munya kwa kura imwe.
Kure scenario imwe yari when Moi was waiting to be a president and Obama were let him become a president because he is easy to remove. I think Munya is a beneficiary of that kind of thinking. I participated. I wouldn't say whom I was campaigning for, but I participated properly in 2013 elections. Now, from the look of things then, wakarayaka muntu ya kilemino wari kuwin. Lakini towards the end, it turned out kwa tuka igatirauna wa win. Nande na beta nyapo amuno akiraito when he became governor, this other one became senator. Mwanka about 2-3 years later, iroba ambiriria nandi miekethano. Pekethana bobo muno. Nandi ambiria Munya ambiria kumbrandwa o muntu wa opposition. To the sitting government is Jubilee. Nandi kwa tuka we na koruithwa thirikari. Little did these people know Meru would eventually become also opposition. And he is a beneficiary of all that miscalculation. Na Munya nandi as he stands, he is a victim. Okono aruto amurumanga, anene bange bakia ba muruma, ethro ba na kawira mwangasa amutunya, amwendia amuikia Jubilee. You know, all those kind of calculations. Amero ne antubabo me na ya kwambiria kuonela mumeru. Ureo mtukuma ome nara. Mumeru uwo kuonela amero bakamu support.
Na kidogo NASA Meru kura hii totegete chia Tharaka Nithi na Meru ileja almost 900,000. ikura swing vote kama igatuika swing vote vakaga na NASA na Jubilee.
Analyst baingi ora bailelete Meru na Tharaka Nithi so far traditionally tu baimekira ora baimekira strong ya Jubilee. Lakini kulingana na situation of rare na ukaya kurindi through the social media ukona more than ever before NASA kana Odinga na enjoy a significant following. Eo tumio kume compare with from other times. Chambere turingite kura. Non toga ile la like crown irera ni komiti Raila. They have visited either any of the towns in Meru, Mutuate, Lare, Mailitatu. Crown ira though crown te indicate bora mtu ana support in a region, lakini ile lenya comment okaile la kinya nkero irantu wa approach cho mtu na bora mbere kwa kareka wona clearly ground ni chenchetie ni shifted politically. Lakini bora umbige kuwa to what extent the ground has shifted so far take that clear. Lakini bwa kwithira bwa support bora rufaze wa HDM kana NASA in a support considerable to be kuigino. And like now currently bora kari is like Meru dayo temia kuwa if that is strong ondere to irera Jubilee.
Noli kane coordinator brother wa majority leader. There is that rebellion ya Kindiki. Isaiah, Professor Isaiah Kindiki. So irayongwa niko ikiuma family na Kindiki niko nania au kwena wati ki support ya Jubilee in Tharaka. Na kinya okaile la like Professor Kidore Kindiki wengwa nona nitie mno aurete from the limelight ke mantomingi yake arairua me always to either tele tuonaga akithingata Uhuru na Ruto
but atekonekana mam so much presence yake ni tend down sana tutigomea the reason why but of course perception is very key in politics
na bwana Rufus NASA yombeta kweja Meru maita Georgia ile iliugane kwendo munya ki Georgia ile ende pena candidate wao ni Kaburu neke bate ko mugweta tuinyaye koro na tetaga kiuga we ate ko gwetwa ne NASA
nyamuntu no anga wiye tetachia kuibwa ya Meru for instance ikicho bere enchokia kiu Meru no twa kura yu no bari kupomba kuona nyingi kiri bangi Meru utire bio tomba kuwa turayo in Jubilee batwi utire in absolute terms. Why I'm saying this, tokoringiro Uhuru kura, he took I think 5 years to come the recent time that he has just been here. Utiro ya Meru yete for purposes of a project. Utiro kinyawe nwijio gitonga nwijio okethora for instance muntu na aibata na Meru nikake ya kinyocho keria ntunkatho non twakurira twamunenkere chiombe 2013
nonto ne yaetaga stronghold
ne yari in fact one of the strongest holds in Kenya lakini twekirwo ara onkonia ikwatie tuya kuyirwa 2017 na yutu kara tureyirwa Meru na ndi bara omire nonto tirepio tona thirikari nei no mwanka tolie eyengi ni ono tutwina manifesto itwathomere manifesto NASA na ndi tu compare chuigire na itu kwenda kuona nandi what we can get in this alternative government.
Na bwana Gitiye Uhuru karejete ku counter NASA kana afu Tharaka Nithi yetagwo stronghold ende kura tia Tharaka Nithi itiena mete by margin nene muno to 200,000 tijekethwa no bompe graphics eu James count Tharaka Nithi yaina 400,000 votes 2013 ende mwaka jojo itokuona ina around 200,000
apathy
imbi kiomba kwethewa ke kosi ya kura yu kwena Tharaka Nithi
na ukethwa antu uthithio bonari no kuringa kura after every 5 years ni uo kuibwetwa ne chonko apathy anto ambeta utegita kuyukia kura no tie bien tetha tia bio gekare
tugetega county ya Tharaka Nithi bareja kura 200,000 na 13 eo ne almost half ya iria chiario na kuma mara tukegamba ng'ombe na Tharaka constituencies bareja 213 na 2013 yae kura 200,000 na gento imbikiomba kwithirwa bwana Gitiye ke reason ya anto kwena mau ke imagine we oringi bokura
ya ntena figures tia 2013 bro exactly cha Tharaka no cha Meru chonkurikana thiru we were roughly around 500,000 they the one in Tharaka that time maybe were something lower than that lakini numbers itu inacho thai the latest numbers eno kwetira kwena kwena that the cleansing of the voter register kuruta ntwara barigite kukua na search lakini teko dhwania the biggest number so the maybe voter turnout ya wakati wa turnout during the registration era twara cho mass registration campaigns ya ka it appears Tharaka ya kabata bataturira nonto actually 200,000 teko dhwania the optimal number Tharaka
no kwethirwa kaya fake number kenda ethirwa the stronghold
issue ya Tharaka Nithi ni very contentious mno politically nonto every time naratu wakwenda kuyo kura kinya sia jarito ile kwa muntu agiwa Tharaka Nithi kwetera kinya so Tharaka Nithi ni synonymous with na numbers kuongelo
ile takwa tyranny of numbers
lakini ntekudhwania it was like that though tiago trona akilia postmortem ya these numbers bora ikaridhai tuona why the numbers reduced in some regions why they increased in other regions to trona exactly a correct report about that
sa toke thirekeria bwana Kobia no kuona ita manifesto ejitia nasa Jubilee anto baba inge bakuga ika itachie similar no kuona itachie similar inenwe itainga nene
two things here there is no similarity hakuna similarity kwa hizo hakuna hata and I will point two cases Jubilee ba launchere manifesto yao no ke akulaithiria the column surrounding health bobo andigariria wao there are no nurses in Kenyan hospitals today na no kugoka thithia mantu ya health bwana Gitonga you know that there are no nurses in any Kenyan hospital today they are seeking for what they were agreed upon through a CBA na itokwaria mantu ya kuga we are looking into health that's one the other one is what we shall give Kenyans as NASA the TGRC that is the reconciliation phenomenon in this country eunie toma Kenyans barwa bonde non tupwa kwithirwa anto the chiao but they don't own them they are owned by other people iko kwereka you see PCA era way Kenya at times you look at it through the prism ukona it is fakish it's not real okay kulaithiria the last nominations of was in Gishu County there is a gentleman called Buzeki and another one called Madago yes Madago now Madago was like achindithiwani somebody aromera araua mjinga akierevuka mjinga akierevuka the bright one mwerevu yuko matatani Ruto na Uhuru ba matukire now the following day because of how the situation was it all overnight became extremely tense na ibu onto kuona Ruto does not campaign anymore in Rift Valley
na ndi menyithua kagita kuthira irwaria tomba gwita dharura mbere inya mathanjaire ende yubaga muno ikomba kweja studio lecheto ntukwena rua na tukomba kwetha twena